I completely condemn the words of Akbaruddin OIC, who is from MIM party. Being a public representative, he went to BMC elections regarding campaign. While he was in campaign, he has to speak about development and what else the development he is going to give there. But instead of that, he was making 50 minutes remark. What is this 15 minutes remark? Each and everybody in India knows it. He was threatening Hindus. He was saying that if there is a if he's get a chance of 15 minutes, he's gonna eradicate every Hindu within 15 minutes. He's keeping on saying it again and again from many years. And he is using that for campaigning only to spread hatred between Hindus and Muslims, which is completely against democracy. So regarding this, I have filed a complaint in Sarur Nagar police station to take strict action against his remarks. While taking this thing, I even made a statement in my social media regarding that the person who calls himself a secular, the person who always speaks about democracy, he always threatens Hindus. He completely speaks against Hindu gods. He completely supports the people who is demolishing Hindu temples, which is against the law, which is against democracy, and which is against secularism. So I even raised a statement for that. For that statement also, he has given a reply insulting women, which is completely objectionable. He was dreaming that he wanted a PM as a woman, and he himself is insulting women, which is very much condemnable. That is the reason I have complained the case regarding that also. And some people, instead of saying Akbaruddin to keep quiet and to be proper being a public representative, some people and AMI supporters are calling me and threatening me. So I even filed a case regarding them. I gave all the phone number details and the voice details to the police department, and I expect strict law and order actions on them, because I believe in law and order. They doesn't believe in law and order. Even after many repeated things also, he is again making 15 minutes remarks, which is really not Indian and which is not really democratic.